All right, so I wanted to do a little tutorial on the side crow. So if you've done the regular crow pose before, Bakasana, right? Looks like this. Or maybe you've been doing it like this. Okay, this is your crow pose. Now we can take that into a side crow. So for the side crow, you want your hands shoulder distance apart, fingers are spread wide. Both of your knees are coming to the side. Elbows are bending back. You shift forward until the weight comes onto your upper arm. Elbows are bent. You're making a shelf with your arms. You're looking forward. It's important to look forward. Don't look down. Center your weight. So if you're to the side too much, it's not going to work. You have to center yourself. Glide forward. You need to be up on the tiptoes. You pick up the tiptoes, balancing there in the side crow. If you like, you extend it with the legs. Good. So let's try. You can practice the other side as well. So walking to the side, bending your elbows back, shifting your weight forward, and centered. Picking up the toes, extending the legs.